antique Brunswick pool cue holder. I've got it set on a table here, and as you can see, I've kind of got the crown molding hanging off a bit, and I think it makes it a little easier to take it apart and probably put it back together again. Let's take a look at the 4 screws that need to come out. I've got that one on the top, same on the other side. I don't know if you can see it. There's one that goes inside here on both sides. So yeah, that covers the top. Let's work our way down to the bottom here. This one's a little easier. Got my screwdriver. Oops. Okay. It's actually this one right at the bottom, which is already unscrewed, and this kind of comes out already. It's on the bottom on both sides, and I'll take it all apart and show you it in pieces. Okay, so these screws are almost out. One on the back. Look at that, and that screw is 1.5 inches. Okay, well, let's go over here. We're going to take this one out. That's also 1.5 inches, but as you can see, it's a little thicker than the other one. Okay, over to here. At the bottom. I'll go ahead. This is almost out too. So same screws. Oh, actually, no. Look at that. They kind of. Yeah, those are about the same, but they're a little different. But anyway, the thick ones are the one that go on the top. All right, let's come down here. This one is almost out completely. Let me take both these out, and then we'll go over to there. That one's almost out. So let's take them over here to the tape measure. All right, those are 1.5 inches, and those are the thicker ones too. Okay, so back the camera up a little bit so you can see how this comes out. That just pops right out here. Right out there. Make sure it doesn't fall off the table. Come down here. Got it? Okay, and this just lifts right out like that. And that lifts right out like that. Okay, here we go. So now all we gotta do is figure out a way to package this stuff with bubble wrap and find a box.